Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to do unboxing on my Louis Vuitton here and refill on my Chanel. So I'm going to start with this one first. I've got it around maybe 2 or 3 days ago. I forgot exactly, but I didn't have time to unbox or did a video because my mom was in town and we were busy running around all day. Anyway, I already knew what's inside, but I haven't got a closer look on it. Let's start to unbox this one first. This is just a drawer box, so I'm going to unbox it like this. It's easier. And here is the goodies. Can you guess what's inside? It is the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. If you have been with me for a long time, you knew that I have this particular bag already, but okay, I think this one is not good, but I had the fraying problem on this two tab here. I mentioned it on my review on this bag. I will link the video down below. And also I start to notice that I have another fraying problem here and here. So I took mine to my Louis Vuitton CA and she promised me to take a look and see what they can do about it. I thought they would fix it, but my CA came back with the news that they would replace my Palm Springs mini backpack. It was back in March, I think, so I waited for this particular piece for months to be ready because you know this one is hard to get at this time. But finally it came, but I think the align is as you can see, not so good. I just saw it today, but okay, I'm not a fussy buyer, so I probably gonna live with it. Anyway, it arrived already and I'm happy that they exchanged it to a new one. Here is the model number, something like that, and inside is like this. This is a very famous bag, so I don't need to talk about it too much. And mine is made in Spain, I think, yes. And here is the strap. And I got the booklet and the cue card. I will attach them later. We know already how they look like. So that is my new Palm Springs mini backpack. Not the perfect alignment, but we'll see about that. For now, I'm not too fussy about it because I love this bag so much and I missed this bag a lot when I recently went travel to the beach. So that is my Louis Vuitton. And next, my Chanel piece. This came with the paper bag and no box because the box would be so big, so no box. I got it from my personal shopper, other client. So this is a pre-loved piece, but in very pristine condition. Her client didn't use it that much. So this is the Chanel small urban spirit backpack in black color, calfskin leather and gold hardware. I think it's in very good condition, no scarfing, nothing, and I'm pretty happy about it. I wasn't so sure if I'm going to like the backpack. I was not a backpack person until Palm Springs Mini. I used to love backpack back when I was in high school, so let's see about that. That's why I don't want to pay full price for this piece because it's very expensive, as we all know. The pre-loved one is also still very expensive, but I'm glad that I could save some money for almost perfect condition pre-loved. And the inside looks like that. No scratching. I'm not sure about calf skin, but I think it's pretty good. And it comes with this ribbon, camellia, and the receipt. The inside is in fabric and in black color. It has one zipper pocket on the back, and mine is made in Italy. Mine is in 24 series. I haven't used it yet because well, I was very busy. This one arrived around last week. I was very busy when my mom was here, so that's why I haven't tried it out yet, but I will today. And this is the authenticity card. It is the 24 series. It was bought in 2017, I believe. And that is that. The inside is also very clean. No smell, nothing. It's perfect for me. So I'm so happy about that. I already ordered my Samorga organizer for this particular piece because I think it's too big of a space without organizer. I will do an update on that when the organizer come, and also do a review on this bag. Okay guys, so that's all for my new bags addition. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to see you again soon guys. Bye.